Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and take a look at the back here. We got rear park sensing, tow hitch, we got that nice backup camera, and moving to the front here, we have blind spot detection, this nice lime green accent, and moving to the front we have two tow hooks, license plate bracket, there's a block heater back there, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black interior with lime stitching, plenty of door space, cup holders, 12 volt, and 2 USB-Cs. And of course, if you do need space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, parking brake and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 152 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at your main screen here, you do have, if it loads please, My View, Trip and Feel, Gauges, Off-Road, Towing, Status Info, Navigation, Phone, Audio, Vehicle Maintenance, and other settings. Over here we have tons of storage, cup holders, we got more storage underneath, storage right here, USB and USB-C, nice leather wrap center console with tons of storage underneath. We have a rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive and drive modes, trailer brake. You have your climate controls just right there, 12 volt and 2 USB-Cs with storage above and below, storage right there. We do have our auto stop, auto start, backup camera, hazards, and traction. And looking at our main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, your phone, navigation, any apps you may have downloaded, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, whatever you have selected. Now these are the apps you may have downloaded: Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE79300, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.